wahala jumede na ebre asosemu aba ekwesi kapa enenso mede ebesomo se de dane da ye no na ensem a edi atentwe wo memenu ene esi ehu enkonya epinsinpinsim ma ehwefo ene etiefo mo nsoso motimide eyemwadwenche efa ensem yi hu etu edwana ene de se de mpanifo kan anase ye ya nim se odo we manipa ejimie no kore ene de wodo ama chese nipa ana ye nuaba ma bi wa ye de na like eburadwen na ntiase so etimi etu ne to e de afiri kuma se ba bepiem ewo enkran hanom ni nyina eye wo ba ku hu entia na ebuzia ensem no ekoko wie ye se oba ye a wo ba bepe ne yire na adane emmo bi ena na moma yimbonra ensem no emu. Man travels all the way from Kumasi to Accra to propose to Jackie Appiah, but it ended in tears. Potokasa and Amede Eguho Ediamam Nina Eya Branti Bia wo eye ne 30s emu na wadru onum se mema do mudro mum penifie so from 30 going na dodo na ya na wo madwen ewo fie enti wo mo hwe se de be ombenya wo ho kafo bi a wo mo ne no betena wo mo ne no ebedwina bom wo mo ne no benya insusuye anase wo betimi ene no enya daache pa bi abusua wo betimi awo wo mo ema enti from that time no ene wo awani su so ene oba ene mepe se ni se na wo mo ade abobo so na se ebetimi ayaware a etimi aye entimi nya so a na ye de wapani ba bia fa na ba bia obesa akwa hwe ni mu no wode akwa bone no ena ama abrantie bi afri Kumase Kumase Asante mantem ho waba ababepie mu ewo eye Accra hanum krankrodua yi mu na ni nyina eye nani ane wode edi eye ye nuaba eye sinitwani aba ya Jackie Appiah echie jeso odinani adinache wo hwe ni sini twam na se de abaye na niama dabadaba ne ho fefefe se de na no ne kala chese eno kura na ekuno no niama woye ene eye abaya no ho fa eye na wo hu ne se abaya no betimi aboa no ewo abrabo mu ebiemu nsoso no ya tete no enti so ne bobra ebeyeye wone no ekọ adwen ba komu a na se wo mo yo madwen so wo beye mu se okunu ene wo yira wo mabrabo ebetimi ayeye na ebiemu so do sa dwen ho ne se se nipa bi sei no celebrity bi sei na wo sa na wo wutimi se nkwada no ho beye fe on beye adorable amoche so bia be pese wo be ben wo mo ema enti abaya brantie no na ni so ade hunu ene na expectation imagination sa wonya ye nyina no take into consideration se we de e was wo hwe na wotu eho anamo eno nti wo de bre dese efa ka covid-19 yi mu achese ya adwen se social distancing ye exercise wono de achese odo nti no wa ma no anye na ade kase bia se eye den a wo ba ba fo commercial bus no wa ba bepie mu ewo enkran ha se na eye baby a ne do akwa die no watimi ayeden aba ba kire no se de wo do se nipa no edetie enti wo ba no sawo ko do fo hono ma ntimi mfa won sapan enko enti ene eye artwork a ye de agu eye ye de ahye frame mu ene wo de ehye eye polythene bag mu se ene me de ba na me de abre eye me do fo Jackie Appiah sister adwoa na ene e oba no ohunu se de ma drone no ana se de mama ya decorate no na ne ho isi aye fe na eno krampo betimi ama na te ahwemi do mama je se eye impratwe na na sa aware na etimi e de
please what's your name? Oh, okay. I learned you want to see Jackie Appiah. Yeah. So are you seeing her among us?
Yes.
Where is Jackie Appiah? Hey.
So this guy has been stalking me for like the past 6-7 months now. So anytime I put up a snap, he looks at the snap, he finds out where my location is and he comes there.
How did you know that she's here?
I just came here. I'm from Kumasi and I've come and stay in Accra because of her.
Ah, wow.
Following here, I just want to see her anytime.
You want to just meet her?
See her. I'm from there and I feel shy to talk to her.
Oh.
Fun love. Oh.
So you love her?
Yes.
Okay, I can see you have something for her. Can we all see?
You did well.
So now what do you want from me now? What do you want?
Like I love you, seriously.
Ede ashisho so na brantie bebedru ya chese okoko hia eye abaya yi no de eye frame yi she ne nsa na Jackie hwe ade no na atimu se said Nipedia, see one on Pana said they had drawn and Nima Kwakodi na China Chesa, Koya was some Ede Amana. One I buy and to take it to the Twitter page and then what they echo to on Ghana funds so their mamunim. I didn't talk on my will be a Kwako should behind a Kwako, yes, you know, and yes, see one of my bones and a police for land. So we had a crown. Ha! It's one other 2 1 and yeah. Twitter for social media for ye one more echo no one more echo ebie na just say abaya no ye dia odi ato ho no nsem wo kan nyina ne say ah da bi enya de say aware we ana branch we ebetumi abaso bra pa oba bi fa kuma se do de me de ye den na no na Ghana for react to ye ensem no ehu na no na binom e de etu edwa say ah da bi Jackie, branch would at least. So framework no crampo na anko ya farmer at work ya kwa say you can say sako dia brand paper some you drawing see bi crampo na de wonye okay so tia so che ho na ma de nya hwenka fa ne sa na mo de dwen say abrantie yi wa free Kumasi o wa fa ka covid yi mu yare yi nko betumi adwen ho say me kwa kofa ka yi na so obi na wo de same na se ni nyina wa andwen ho wo do a wo ma wonti e na watimi aba abonten atimi aye na adwen se wo baba ba kire wo se odo a wo ma wo eni enti dwen sa ade no ho sa rex na wa take no na wo de engu nani mu ase na wonye de wo de sa age no na na se 1 month before na na betwen plan na wa pe na apake na si ba bi krampo na wa hu se at least ne mfa so kakra wonya ye ene se otimi ene wo edi nkata ho na no na ebinom enso ese na wo abrante na nzemu be no ube po bia wo de artwork ebre no krampo na ama no anane na etimi ama na fole ama wa unko po bia oye good at it wa atna ho ape nkwada pensi e bia ba bedro ha adrodro ade basa we de abre abaya ne se wonje na wondo enko ye nice one bia wo no wo hu ne se we de mi ankasa mi hu nipa na gina we ayefe ya mame a good shape ne hu kwone banka no krampo no ebetimi ama no afole ama na de wa ye ide o krampo e na wasai wo chances na ebusia mo ma menkan comment ni bi ye nuanom e de ekọ ye Twitter no bi na memfa emema mo Yenya video they about say the portrait they make me shy self. Jackie Appiah, this guy has been stacking for about 6 months now after unveiling the portrait Jackie Appiah. So what are you going to do now? Yenya been so Edward de boss bachelor all jokes aside Jackie Appiah for you for accept his proposal because he can't move all the way from Kumasi to Accra. Then you do Amiyawa. You could see that the boy is fully in love. Yourself, you know, marry, but the boy to gossip. This artwork, the Kumasi boys in love, and on the emoji esere echa etsom. Yemi have been so Edward de Eba say this guy and Kasa, he no get sense. You the feel Jackie Appiah where you won't surprise him. She has noticed you low key. Why didn't you go to a better at ease and get a artwork for her? Like by now, she dey like by now the love no dey come on, but she go fit be friends plus the artwork and now make Jackie Appiah ball or no so the who ne say artwork na ma Jackie Appiah ne bu afu a chese wanye na adwen se wo pa brante ne ni mahwe ne bu waka che ne say yo mate ana say there be mempene so ye ne abi so Edward de eba say Jackie Appiah was cool till she saw the artwork. Now, what do you want from me? You could have sketched patapa for her to laugh smoke. Kumasi boys dear, you the worry obi so dear and was say abrante yi pa wo dan at least wo dan ka untimi android patapa de ne was na nim ye fo obi abetimi adro bi nka wape wo no na wa draw no sketch ni bia krampo no krampo betimi ama ahomeka bia na sede bi ababa ya no anim ka no krampo no wo betimi ahwe age wo efel so na de wakwa ye de wa na wo Kumasi fo wa gu en ma se ye so bende ye na bi dia wo de eba ye o say Kumasi fo ankasa we are tired of you people aba. You are going to meet your crush. You dress like you are going for a job interview. Why Jackie Appiah no get bis you say you love me and now no so ne dia wode eba ye no ye nua ye Prince and so Edward de eba was him You, Jackie Apia, you are not married. You have found genuine love. You have found genuine love too. You say you don't like because he is not on your level. If I were you, I would groom him to become mine. Share. Nobody knows tomorrow. This is what Bible calls suitable partner. Suitable. And also so ne dia wo de eba ye no. O say onu de anka wo no ene eye Jackie Apia anka befa abrante no obeje no atena se atete no aye na ahwe no ama na be ye se nipa wo pe because wa wu mu a woti wo nware ye wuni eye ekunu na se wo bi aba wo abekire ne do a wo edema wa we na kire eye genuine love wo ede ema we no hu ni se Bible kan se ye suitable partner no wono nso so wode 220 wo de afutuo na ema Jackie se ebe ya won dia brante no na wone no entna won grumi no na won hwe no na onye tise de wono ankasa epe na ye ne ayi di tu edwa ewie ye na obi nso so ede eba se what are you talking? You want her to groom him, then later he will be on the neck of Jackie Apia telling him this, that and that. Oh please, let her be. Why was it share? What's one year then? Won't groom me a brand now they only memma or maba and say, well, what better never I said or period for one mum and never yaka bensem ewa neswa and tijadia woke canocra na abayano wonya a yena sundie and far and tina yenia Cindy one eddie or day about say I can't stop loving no and or day a year emoji a wasere aba a son nana can come and so eddie or day about was say you have to come all the way from Kumasi just to propose to a woman. What is the use of your phone? Now you see, oh please, this is all your fault. Or so Eddie or the Sobone Elbow Branton or say again, why Nantia and ask what for Cardi from Kumasi about bedroom can han or Benti. Propose that keka what they ever 80. I don't phone you. Wouldn't me and yan or phones where I crochet, the wa kofa ba on. Enti we de wa e na wo de eyo highway aba wan kasa wa brabo so ye me been so edo de eba say why not Jackie you should accept his proposal no so edie eno no hu ni say Jackie Apia wom accept aye abrante no ni proposal emfa ema no na eno a eno no ye fa eye adwenche etwato na ye mfa ensi ye me been so edo de eba say the matter chop hot asem or see assemble kreni. I don't know who to talk for, whether Jackie Apia or for the guy, but all the way, the guy that you do yawa power, no so ne dia what they buy ye everything way any a year and someone about better a year upon so I Jackie Apia will be a one worry yena a brante ya bano about project say or see there be at work a crampo no elbuna bem na ebede wodonumpo etimi eno na ebinum hu ni say de abaya ne ye no enye ne kwan so and because mu won ware ye na so obi be kire wodo say ya adenti na wo say utwa like opan ni e ma ne de awrewo ekokoda na eno na ebinum so say abrante no de oye ne enye ne modern Ghana yenye sade ni ebiemu nti wonyai wono a na apene nim guase wo so wo fi sen na hu ensem no esi efa for wadwenche ebra e wo tuma gin h comment section obetimi follow ewe Instagram page @tumagh_. Na emrepem ne de madwenche ni nyina ebetu edwa midin ene apia sikapa dasene yebesane hia.
Yo too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe ewo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem esema ebuafa o my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God in ye, the only one God in GH. A ho another be a meshe. Abroche for any Ghana for more movie yourself and me recommend Emamo. Too much GH.